Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
The new Outlook has a fresh design, but it changed where your favorite add-ins are located. You might be looking for tools like Zoom, Grammarly, or DocuSign and notice they are not in the old spots. Finding them is easy once you know where to click. When you are reading an email, look at the top right corner of the message window. You will see a small icon that looks like 4 tiny squares. This is the Apps button. Click it to see your active add-ins. If you are composing a new email, the process is slightly different. Look at the top ribbon menu and find the 3 horizontal dots. These dots represent the More Options menu. Click them and scroll to the bottom to find your integrated tools. To manage or add new ones, go to the Home tab on your main ribbon. Look for the All Apps icon, which also looks like a grid. Click this button and select Add Apps to open the Microsoft Store. From here, you can search for new extensions or remove ones you no longer use. If you want a specific add-in to stay visible, you can pin it. Right-click the app icon and select the pin option to keep it on your main toolbar. This new layout aims for a cleaner look, but it requires a few extra clicks to find your extensions. Now you can easily access all your essential work tools in the new Outlook interface without any confusion. Use these steps to navigate the updated system and stay productive with your favorite third-party applications.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.